an elevator here at Spineless Marvels here at the San Diego Zoo in San Diego, California. Ironic that B is that main floor. It's an Otis elevator, it's a brand new one. It's a tall one too. Get a cab view. Is the serial number on here? I don't see it. That sucks.